doing, in my opinion. That's at least how I trade. And yeah,
Okay,
it's just I think
so
the basics of support and resistance.
so this it looks like it's a river or a channel.
Yeah,
Like,
I know.
is there an official name for the action in between those two lines?
Yeah, it's called a range or a consolidation. So that's just the price moving like I think 90% of the time the price is just going sideways. It's very boring, but there's the most money made. Well, it's actually a trading playground because the price is
Those
just
okay,
going up and down, up
those
and
who know
down.
how to trade in the range, the people who know how to do that, that's amazing. That's a skill by itself
So
alone.
if I want to trade the range, I can put. Are you saying I can put an order at the top to short, and I can put
Yeah,
an
you can
order at the
keep on doing
bottom to
that.
buy, and I can
Yeah,
go.
100%. Yeah.
So eventually, if I put an order at the top, it would cash out at the bottom. I would come out there. Then if I put at the
I
bottom,
have people that what they would do is they would leave that for like, as you can see, these are weekly candles. So this range has been going on for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's been going for like 4 months, 3 months here, right?
Yeah.
I got people that they'll put these ranges and they'll just let it go and they'll give it a few days because they're busy with their businesses or with their life. They don't like trading, but they know that there's options to make money on these charts. So they will just chart it out, put the zones in those ranges, and then just leave the charts, not even touch it anymore. And then maybe 40 or 60% of the orders will actually happen. Many orders won't happen, but they don't care about it because they don't want to look at the charts. But they know how to trade those ranges. So they just do that, give it a few weeks, and just collect their money and go home.
Yeah.
yeah, I love it. I'm curious. Can you click the day time frame to see what that looks like in here?
Yeah, it's gonna be way different. It's gonna be different.
Okay, there's the day.
It's
So
going to look a whole lot different.
yeah, but
Yeah.
but here's the day here. But this is actually this is very volatile. You could make, you could have made a lot of money actually
Yeah,
going
you
up and
could.
down here.
Good. Yeah, because
Uh,
a lot of people are always waiting for like a bull market, but in a bull market, the price also starts consolidating, starts ranging. And if you want to make some extra money, in my opinion, the ranges, the consolidations, most money, pro traders love these kinds of ranges because it's super clear where's the top, where's the bottom, and let's trade. It's very clear.